solving question from GATE 2019 electrical engineering branch. So a state variable model is given to us. x1 dot is equal, x1 dot and x2 dot equal to 0 1 minus alpha minus 2 beta x1 x2 plus 0 alpha r y equal to 1 0 x1 x2, where y is the output and r is the input. So we have to find the damping ratio and the natural frequency. So matrix A is given by, so this is the matrix A is given as 0 alpha minus 0 1 minus alpha minus 2 beta. Matrix B is given as 0 and alpha, and matrix C is given as 1 0. So we have identified the matrix. So we have to find, so to find the transfer function, first we have to find Si minus A, where I is the identity matrix. So this will be equal to S0 0 S minus A. So minus of 0 1 minus alpha minus 2 beta. So this will be equal to S. This will be equal to S minus 1 alpha and S plus 2 beta. This will be equal to S minus 1. So this will be equal to S minus 1 alpha and S plus 2 beta. So Si minus A inverse. So now we have to find the Si minus A inverse. So Si minus A inverse. So I am writing it here. So Si minus A inverse will be equal to, so the determinant will be S plus 2 beta plus alpha, and this will be the, we have to find the inverse of this matrix. So just S plus 2 beta, S1 and alpha. So it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so we can directly find the inverse. So just replace the sign of these two, so it will be minus alpha and S, and just replace these two. So S plus 2 alpha and S will come here. So this is Si minus A inverse. Now to find the transfer function, we have to find C into Si minus A inverse into B. So C into Si minus A inverse into B. So matrix C is 1 0. So 1 0 into Si minus A inverse. So Si minus, so this is will come in denominator, S square plus 2S beta plus alpha, and this is S plus 2 beta 1 minus alpha S, and this is 1 and 0. So this is 2 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 1. So C into Si minus A inverse into B. Sorry, C is 1 0 and B is 0 into alpha. 0 and alpha. So this is a 2 row and 1 column matrix. This is matrix B 0 alpha. So C into Si minus A inverse into B. So this will be equal to 1 0 into 1 upon S square plus 2S beta plus alpha, and this will be equal to alpha upon alpha S, alpha and alpha S. So this is again a 2 cross 1 matrix, and this is a 1 cross 2 matrix. So we have to find this matrix by this, we have to multiply this matrix by this matrix. So this will be equal to alpha upon S square plus 2S beta plus alpha. So C into Si minus A inverse into which gives the transfer function. So this is the transfer function. So from the transfer function we can easily see that omega n, that is the undamped natural frequency. So normally it is of the form 2S S square plus 2 zeta omega n S plus omega n square. So we can easily compare it. It is equal to 2 into S into beta. So and omega n is equal to under root of alpha, and in the denominator it is omega n square. So omega n is equal to under root of alpha. If we compare with the general form of a transfer function, so using this, and 2 into zeta into omega n is equal to 2 into beta. So 2 will cancel 2 and zeta will be equal to omega beta upon omega n. So this will be equal to beta upon under root of alpha. So the damping ratio is equal to beta upon under root of alpha and natural frequency is equal to under root of alpha. So if you have any doubt in this video, then please comment in the comment box. The transfer function is given by matrix C into Si minus A inverse into matrix B. So matrix C is this matrix B is this matrix, and this is the matrix A. So first we found Si minus A inverse, then we multiplied it by B, then we multiplied it by C to find the transfer function. Then we compared with the general form of the transfer function. It is equal to omega n square upon s square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus omega n square. So our matrix was alpha square upon s square plus 2 beta s plus alpha. So omega n is equal to under root of alpha and zeta omega n is equal to beta. So zeta equal to beta upon under root of alpha. So these are the answers for this question. Omega n is equal to root of alpha and the damping ratio is equal to beta upon under root of alpha. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and please share your feedback also. So thank you and best of luck.